how to make smooth scrolling animation in Wix Studio. In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth sailing scroll animation in Wix Studio using built-in tools.
So to get started, you can make a smooth scrolling animation in Wix Studio by clicking on the text that you want to animate and then going into the Inspector tab and then click on this lightning bolt icon. And then from here, you can select your animations and effects. What you're going to do is to click on this scroll option and then add a scrolling trigger animation. You can just click on any animation that you want. For example, you want it to expand upon scrolling. You can just click on that and it will automatically apply to your text. If you want to preview it, you can click on this eye icon, and if you feel like you're satisfied with how it looks like, you can just click on publish. And that's how you make a smooth scrolling animation in Wix Studio.